Hi, this is Rob with Federal Finance CPE. Today, I'm going to show you how to tell if the federal agency got a clean audit opinion or not. So let's get started. Right now, you're looking at the annual financial report for GSA. These AFRs contain the audit reports for the fiscal year's audit. So let's go to how to find them. First, you want to scroll through the AFR to the table of contents, and you'll be able to find usually in the financial section. There you'll see the Inspector General's note and then the Independent Auditor's report. I want to say most federal agencies, the IGs, while responsible for conducting the audit, they usually contract it out to an independent public accountant. So here, the Independent Auditor's report. It starts off with the opinion section, which talks about how the auditor conducted their audit. But what you want to do is scroll down to a paragraph that says, in our opinion. So you'll see here, in our opinion, the accompanying consolidated financial statements present fairly, in all material respects, the financial position of the GSA as of September 30th, 2024 and 2023. So there it is, in our opinion, presented fairly, all material respects. This particular year, GSA got a clean opinion, unmodified opinion. Another way you'll hear it. So that's it. That's how you read it. Now, it is important to note that some federal agencies actually get an opinion on their internal controls. Not the case with GSA, but if that was the case, you'd be able to scroll down and they would talk about the opinion on internal controls. So there you have it, a quick way of how to determine if a federal entity got a clean audit opinion or not on their last audit by using the AFR. Thanks and subscribe.